Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to revise a very important idea in science, which is how to prepare percentage solutions. But before we dive into science, the weather is too hot today. So let's make something refreshing. Kokum Sharbat. Here's the recipe. 5 parts water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 part of kokum extract, which is also called agar. Add sugar to taste, mix it, and there you go. Instant happiness in a glass. Now let's look at the science part. 1 out of 6 parts is kokum. That is 17% kokum extract. We call that volume by volume because both things are liquids. Once I know percentage concentration, it's easy and quick to scale up. I don't waste time tasting and approximating, and I get the same yum taste every single time. Now suppose I'm on a camp and making kokum sharbat for 40 people. Take a moment and think, for a total volume of 20 liters, how much of kokum extract will I need? You must have calculated correctly. It's 3400 milliliters in 20 liters of total volume. Now, let's move to the medicine cabinet. Meet Calpol syrup, aka the superhero against fever. The label says 120 milligrams of paracetamol in 5 ml. That is weight by volume because the drug is solid dissolved in liquid. Let's calculate percentage. 120 mg is 0.120 grams, that is in 5 ml. So in 100 ml, it's 2.4 grams, which means this is 2.4% weight by volume. We've just made sense of the medicine label. And what did we learn? The kokum sharbat is 17% volume by volume solution. Your Calpol syrup is 2.4% weight by volume solution. And science is literally everywhere in your daily life. Here are some everyday products. Pause this video for a moment and see if you can match the composition on your right to the product on the left. So right, the hair oil is 20% coconut oil and mineral oil. Vinegar is 5% acetic acid. And the bleach is a solution of sodium hypochlorite in water. At home, every time you make a drink, dilute a cleaner, or even cook food, you're actually working with solutions. And in labs, scientists rely on the same skills as the first step towards discoveries. Now here's a thought. What if you're given an unknown solution and you have to find its concentration? In our next 2 videos, we'll work with lights, colors, and we'll use your smartphone as a lab instrument. All this to estimate concentrations of unknown solutions. Until then, stay curious and stay hydrated and maybe decide what weight by volume of instant coffee you like most.